Hey guys, welcome to the video. Guys, I realized that, you know, me on this journey, practicing fruitarianism, practicing, I am kind of hard to say, I'm not gonna lie, but um, me practicing like fruitarianism and fast, I realize more and more that what is right for our body and what isn't. And yesterday it's nuts. Like I've been having bad experience with it because it's just I wake up and digest. And today is the same, and because I'm getting more awareness, keep doing my meditations 30 minutes a day since 19. Damn. Yo, that's right. Have a little tip, man. I never know. Don't like these days because these days I'm just super. I really don't like these days because it's just days that I am not acting on, you know, intelligence. I'm just super. I don't know, man. I don't even know how I get crazy, man. Let me check again what I was talking about. Yeah, basically, like I'm not gonna eat nuts again because it's weird. I feel like my pain from my injuries from sprinting, boxing, fighting, um, like doing front levers, back levers, all type of stuff. I felt like I was feeling better, but then I wake up not feeling great. So it's weird. My body clearly rejects it, and more, I'm just realizing, the only reason why I struggle so much to be fruitarian, only eating fruits, is because it's a very healing process, but it makes you feel different. And you only feel that when you only eat fruits, you are like a different person. Genuinely, like you're less aggressive, you are more sensible and stuff, which can be good because it's clear, but can be bad in the sense of past traumas come up or you get emotional and shit. It's weird. It's like a therapeutical diet. Yo, I'm grabbing my phone literally with the same stuff that I used to film my videos, and this is a different one. This is my third one. I had two. It broken. First, it broken because I kind of kicked it and it broke. Second time, I was running and I fell and like it broke in half because like I run fast, so when it fell, it was not good. Yeah. Now this is a third one. This is a different one, and I didn't realize when I bought it, but basically the use in the box is to use like these, right? So taking profit out of that. Because I realized that when I'm moving, my train thought is way better. So I like to, you know, that's why I used to do so many videos walking because you just feel like your brain thought is just sharper, I guess. For example, I used to um, feel myself in the balcony all the time, but yo, where's the key? But like I came from running, so it's better. This is kind of like not really stiff. I can make it better now. I don't see nothing, man. We don't have a lot of battery, I'm not gonna lie. I literally like, I literally was like not coming with the phone because it was charging. And I was like, let it charge. But I didn't do it. And now I'm spending like 23 of battery. But it's worth it because I did want to make this video. You know what I mean? And I like the freedom too of being like doing something super weird, like talking in the camera with the stick on my hand. Everybody looking at me like what he's doing, and it's just free and stuff. There's a sushi restaurant that I want to go here for a while now. I really don't get it. I don't think this is like super sharp. Always buying the same place. They even the 2 times it broke. Kind of question if it's just not the best quality. You don't know. I've been seeing these other YouTubers filming like this, and the only thing I've noticed is that I look way better than them. You know what I mean? But yeah, I thought about uh, I thought about sprinting, but my leg's still so sore, so I said it. Uh, Maybe in the afternoon. I had it written already, a watermelon and grape. So there's a lot of food to eat. Walking on KFC food right now. Oh yeah, another thing is like I stopped doing my affirmations. I used to do the affirmations like all day, but something kicks in me where I just want to stop, right? And I've been thinking of doing it again, but I don't know. Not gonna lie, haven't been reading too much too. Yeah, there's a super hot girl in front of me, but she walks like mad fast. So is that little things where the person just walks too fast naturally, and I cannot catch up. It's whatever. She has a great ass. I'm gonna lie. Damn. She walks way too fast though. This is kind of crazy, but I do feel like an influencer or streamer for the first time. Because I had recorded before with my hand, but it's different from the hand. I'm really having like an item that you are using. I'm not gonna lie, before she was like, before, she was like walking, and she was behind me. But since she like reached me, now I think she was walking way faster. Trying to get her though, I'm not gonna lie. She's very hot. And I already said how I feel today, so Sam catch, man. Oh no, I think she's gonna go to a way that is different from mine. Yeah, I think it's over. But not really. Yeah, she's way too fast. I'm really not focused. Not gonna lie, this is not the first time it happened. Like, the first time I said hi to the super hot or the super like this one. And they are just incredibly fast, you know what I mean? I'm just gonna slow down. Yeah, I think I'm just gonna slow down. She's way too fast. You can say something too, right? Imagine if you have your own pace and someone goes a pace that is way faster than you, that means that maybe you are different vibrations, right? Anyway, this is always moving. Yo, guys, today I start. Today, literally, I start reading a book about the history of Portugal. That's where I belong, and it's really cool. I still have it in my bag right now. I'm going to the pool so I can keep reading it and catch some sun and get to the water. Living the life, man. I could be doing other shit, not gonna lie, but I do prefer to live than to have a life that I don't like. And when things get tight, I find the solution, you know what I mean? I think like I have found the solution a long way, but I'm still doubting myself. This channel is almost 1,000K, man. You know, I feel like to get better and better, and I'll get better and better. So that's it, basically. Yo, it's so hot right now. The worst part is that I still see her because we're going down, and she's like mad long, but I still see her, so she have temptation. It would be great if she was going to the beach, but it's very improbable. If she was, that would be an easy target, man. Easy target. Last time was the same. Like I saw a girl pass through her. I didn't have courage to talk with her. I didn't have courage to talk with her like right away. And then when she like settled, she was reading on the beach, and I just went there, talked with her, and I was cool. So I don't know what's going to happen today. Something might happen. It's like every day something might happen, you know what I mean?
It's always different experience. That's what I like to ensure. Yes, so into the way. It is what it is, man. But a lot of times I think too is like most of these girls just have boyfriends. So when this happens a lot, like another day I was talking with a girl and she was like, "Oh, something." We were talking and she was like, "Okay, I have to go. There's my boyfriend there, and there's like a dude, a surfer, getting like mad, mad, but he couldn't do nothing, so he just kept going." And I like, damn, it is what it is, man. Yeah, we're getting there. It's crazy. Now that I'm thinking, it's like my generation, we are more like technological like this, where it's become more of a norm. Someone is filming, it's not weird because there's so many of us right now, especially since 2023. Like 2023 was a big bloom of like influencers starting the journey, you know. But the kids are even worse. Like I remember I was in a course that was like kids there like 18, 19, and they would literally take a picture of me and like super weird, like it doesn't make sense. I do feel like I have lived a little bit of a feeling like a celebrity, but not a huge one, you know, because I've been hearing people watching me and talking about me outside, so a lot of people catch up, but yeah, it's crazy how only been 70 minutes. For me, it's been like way longer. I'm not gonna lie, I'm hoping to see this other girl that I was talking about, that talked last time, because the convo was, to be honest, it was cool, what good vibes. But I kind of like misread things, and I just end up getting like tense and bounce. And it was like in a proper way. She said, "Oh, have a good day." Yeah, so like you too. But I didn't ask her, or not ask her, but question her if she wanted to exchange socials or something like that, or numbers. Could have done better. And that's the thing. Is like life shows you not always have these opportunities when you meet someone who you have a good vibration, and when you have to perfect that. It's a skill. That's why it's so important to talk with like random beautiful women, bro. Because as you're gonna talk more, you're gonna understand like I'm horrible at this. And as you keep going, it's just you're more calm. You do questions and then have a conversation. You see some signs. Like yesterday, I was in the mall and there's a girl that I kind of fancy to, and she was like giggling and moving her legs, like you know how girls do when they like excited. I don't know, man. I feel like you read more stuff. Always need to be more social. There's nothing like the lifestyle. A lot of people say like, "I'll go this way," where it's like, "Oh, if I have money, then I can have everything you want." Bro, let's be honest. You cannot have anything because the girls that you really like, you too much pussy to go there. and that's you have to build that character to fighting, working out, and I don't know, meditation, betting your diet. And I'm gonna be honest, when I was looking good and have a lot of girls looking at me, I didn't talk with them. I was shy, so it's a lot of like mental break, you know. Since I started fasting like once a week, not eating or drinking nothing, is when I started talking to girls. And it's been pretty cool, to be honest. It's like I choose, have a good moment. If not, I learn. You know, there are girls that you find attractive has nothing to do with you. It's super weird. It's not weird in the sense like the situation is weird, but y'all both don't feel no like desire. It's weird, you know. Some people make you feel sexual desire, and other people make you feel connection or love. Both both are appealing to the human, right? So that's why like to talk with different girls, man. I had gone to wretched girls too, so I understand. But I'm telling you, like that's like 10-20%. If get to that number, it's not like five. Wretched girls, bro, they usually you have to read signs too. Like if a girl is not looking at you, is not showing any that like desire to be social, she's just mad or upset. Don't go talk to her, man. That's you just read what it is. Don't think like, oh yeah, I'm gonna make her feel better. No, she doesn't know you. She might think you are a creep or something. There's a lot of hot guys who are weirdos. So yeah, man, read the signs. Don't go talk with her if she doesn't seem interested in you. I'm not saying they're gonna be looking at you. They're not gonna be looking at you. I mean, they're gonna look at you on the low. They're gonna look at you when they feel that you're not gonna notice. So if you don't have this natural awareness, you're not even gonna notice. And go there if she's man, just go there. But if she seems like pissed off, not to have a conversation, or just that bitch attitude, don't talk with her. That's the best advice I have. But if you want to do whatever you want to do, risky too. But yeah, I'm gonna go to the beach, see what happens. If not happens, I'm gonna read the great book that I'm reading right now about Portugal history. See y'all in another blog. First blog, man. Not really first, but first series that I'm doing, saying like a blog. So yeah, see y'all. Hey guys, I'm getting back right now. So, end up not talking with no girl today, but whatever. I'm not feeling like it. There was a good opportunity, but they were two, and both seemed interest, and I don't really like to give rejections, right? So I'll have to give to one of them. And to be honest, I always feel way more comfortable just talking with a girl when she's solo. Every time she's with someone, a friend or whatever, I don't really like going there. But yeah, damn. For some reason, I'm more easy than usual. Bro, people really that have smells, and some people smell like shit. Just holding this is tiring to me while climbing the stairs. I feel weak for some reason. Don't really know why. It's crazy. Spend a lot of time in sun, and sun is energy. So supposedly, sun gives you energy, but I'm pretty tired. Not gonna lie. Also read a lot, man. Like I already knew the history of Portugal because, of course, I studied in school. But to see in a different perspective, it's pretty cool. Mine was just these are the kings and some little histories. You know what I mean? They put more emphasis on the discoveries. That's where Portugal's more proud to show the kids. But the king part is also cool. You know what I mean? The fact like they are basically showing every part, like from meeting the Indians of Brazil and to, you know, going to India and to meet another Indians who were like, I don't know, remember where, but they were like black, and they exchanged like a bull for a ring of silver. You know what I mean? Because they didn't have it. So it's fun to see the beginnings, how it starts to make sense. Yeah, I'm still tired for some reason. I don't know why. As always, like it's crazy how I see other people, blogging and looking way better than everybody. It's crazy. I sometimes go here to meditate. A lot of my videos, yeah, some of my videos been here. Show you guys in a different perspective. And then I come here meditate. When I used to do the affirmations, was there. One time they were doing like it was like car brand. They was doing like a car for, I don't remember how it says, but it's like advertisement. Yeah, a car advertisement for TV. And I just came shorts, not caring, going through. They were like, "Oh, you have to go the other side." And I was like, "No, because I want to go from there. I don't want to go to the beach." And they say like, "Oh, you have to do this," and I'm like, "Whatever." And I kept going, look to the front, and saw some things placed in the ground. I was like, "Yeah, now I understand. Cannot go through there." So I basically like get around it. It was pretty simple, but bro couldn't explain like that. When you see a huge guy, pretty big, and you don't know if he's dangerous or not, but looks like it, you just enter in state of nervousness, and you don't know to give good explanations. I have to find it by myself.
Ah bah bien sûr, faut juste au moment où quelqu'un arrive et se mettre en plein milieu, elle. Dans une petite droite. Tu dis,
You see, guys, everybody's here, man. All countries. This is a very touristic place. I think it's a blessing meeting new girls all the time, bro. It's a blessing. You know what I mean? New faces, like they look different too. Everyone looks different. It's cool. Me having a mixture of like Portuguese with Barca and Jewish. You know what I mean? I like to see other people who are different too, man. Because I never really look the same as everybody else. I look similar, but like a version of like King plus like Monster, right? Warrior. A mixture basically. similar but just way better in every aspect. It's weird. And I'm gonna go the other way. There's a cute girl, but the same way. I don't know if I know her, but there's too many people in the other way. I don't wanna go there. I'll see if it was the other girl that I was talking about, yo. But I think it's not, man. The body doesn't correspond. And I don't know, like, I don't do 8s or 7s. I only do 9s and 10s. If I'm gonna get a rejection, I'm gonna go for a 9 or a 10. There's no way I'm gonna go for an 8 or a 7, bro. Like, there's no way. There's a cute girl the other side. I didn't go to the other side. I came here literally like, oh, too many people passing through. And I prefer to go to a place where it's like not many people passing through. But then you don't pass through the beautiful ladies that you could at the same time. It's like has some benefits and malice for everything, right? Yo, I've been sprinting here 2 days ago. Or yesterday. I sprinted here. It's further down there, but I run literally 20 kilometers an hour. You know what I mean? Getting closer to Bolt, eventually surpassing, becoming the best of the world, the fastest guy alive. Can't wait. Yo, I was just watching when I was eating whatever I feel like it, and I was just doing like crazy amounts of calisthenics, and I was watching a video that's like 560 or 580 I think it was dips. I was huge. Like, I like, damn, did I get that size? I was huge, you know. And I'm pretty fit now, but certain types of food really does change your body. I was not well mentally because of that diet, because it was so unhealthy and not real food, but I was pretty big. Oh no.